today we've got a siding job, and you can see behind me this is all the siding, and my pickup truck's only got a 6-foot bed, so with 12-foot siding it's a little bit of a hassle. That's why it's important that you have this handy tool right here. It's a truck bed extender, or as I like to call it, like a fishtail. Basically it just goes into your towing hitch. If you have a trailer hitch right here, you can see it just basically gives long, flexible, pieces of material something to rest on, so they're not dragging on the street while you're driving down the highway. So we're gonna load it up right now. Alright, so there you have it. You can see how much stuff we can fit in here, and it's a lot safer because this back end is supported, and it's a whole lot cheaper than buying a trailer or a roof rack system or something like that. So there you go, truck bed extender. Get yours in the link below.